What's good, YouTube, man? It's Tyler, and I'm back with another video. So today, we ran to EXO, White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, Artificial Love. Okay, hey, I haven't heard any of these songs, but we finna get to it and see how they sound and how well this performance is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the crowd. Oh my gosh. Nah, this is fire. This is fire, EXO. I can't even lie. Oh my, it's sold out. Crazy. It's fire. Oh, it's so good. That's how hard they got the designs in the back. And rain.
I hear you, I feel you. 볼 수가 없어도 날 들을 수 있어. 눈을 감고서 이 세상 모든 소리 중에 너를 찾아내면 내 어의 작은 웃음소리 너 네가 잘 지낸다는 그것만 확인하면 돼.
Bro, they sound good. Hey, I hit that. Oh, that's fire. Oh, that's fire. Oh my bad. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pause it every time. One song finishes and goes to the, just like that. Gonna keep it going like that. But 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That's definitely 10 out of 10 right there. I love that song. You know what I'm saying? That's White Noise. That sounds like a song I could definitely download and listen to on the daily. But that was a good song, bro. EXO is talented.
혼자서 물어보는 너의 안부 정말 떠난 후 날 스쳐간 소음들 속에 혹시나 지나칠지 모를 희미한 숨호흡까지 이 바람은 왠지 널 지나쳐 왔을지도 몰라 순간 멈춘 모든 게 꿈 같아 여전히 새하얀 안개 속에서 난 길을 잃은 somebody loves you 부디 이건 나사줘 yeah 잡을 수가 없었어 잠시 졌었던 내 곁에 없어도 넌 내 안에 있어 눈을 감고서 수많은 일 중에 하나 다시 꺼내보면 행복하길 바라고 있어 어디에 있든지 볼 수가 없어도 날 들을 수 있어 눈을 감고서 이 세상 모든 소리 중에 너를 찾아내면 돼 너의 작은 웃음소리 I miss you baby 네가 잘 지낸다는 그것만 확인하면 돼
Bro, that sounded good, bro. They sound so good, bro. Okay, we went into the second song now. Okay. This one's called Thunder.
반짝 짧게 빛났었던 행복 속에 취해 저 기억의 빛에 잠깐 눈이 멀었나 봐 닿을 수 없는 그곳에 너는 의미가 있어 난 번개처럼 잠깐 빛났다 잠시 세상을 밝혔다 온 세상을 바치 내 것처럼 나에게 보여주고 떠났다
Okay.
처럼 늦었다 나는 이제야 널 찾는다 뽀뽀뽀뽀뽀 뒤늦게 소리내 널 부른다 나는 이제야 알아 이제야 너를 알아 너를 잡고 싶어 너무 멀리
That's fire. That was hard.
시간이 갈수록 너와 나 멀어져 이미 넌 저 멀리 있어 또 누군가의 빛이 되어 있겠지 불꽃처럼 아주 빨랐다 우린 너무나 달랐다 우리 사이 시간의 차이가 함께 할 수 없는 공간이 됐다 천둥처럼 늦었다 나는 이제야 후회한다 뽀뽀뽀뽀뽀 뒤늦게 소리내 널 부른다 나는 이제야 알아 이제야 너를 알아 너를 잡고 싶어 너를 따라간다 따라간다 쫓아간다 쫓아간다 찾아간다 찾아간다 점점 더 멀어져 시간의 벽을 넘어 너를 찾아간다 지금은 달라도 시작은 같았다 아직 돌아갈 수 있다고 믿어 지금 하나 둘 줄을 세면 우리 거를 잰다
Bro. Okay, so I'm guessing that's the end of Thunder. Bro. Their performances are so good. Like, bro, everyone spent their money. Like, however much they spent, they're getting their money's worth. Like, this song was these songs they're playing are amazing. They sound so good, bro. They're giving you exactly what you paid for, bro. Like, man, like they're so talented, man. Like they can dance, they can sing, they can do it all, bro. Like, come on, EXO. I'm not gonna lie, like they top three. They top three.
Playboy
It's Playboy. Bro, they make good music.
눈은 전화도 받지 마 조용히 두자 우리들 말고 아무도 알려줄 필요도 없잖아 그대로 두자 왜 걱정하는 넌 괜찮아 괜찮아 네 마음 전부 알고 있어 괜찮아 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 보여줘 네 비밀을 다 까맣게 덮여진 내 맘은 your place 하얗게 타버린 네 맘은 my place 지닐 수 없는 게 당연하니 play 까맣게 잊혀진 내 말은 my face 하얗게 사라진 네 맘은
Okay, and the boy dance.
지닐 수 없는 게 당연하니 play 나 혼자 정리됐어 입맞춤 한번 됐어 나 같은 놈 만나가 너 행운을지 야견을지 갈래지도 갈래길 yes 옥잠을 삼키는 whiskey 널 뜨겁게 더 들뜨게 나 만들게 내가 못됐지 하지 말란 걸더 즐겨 난 말했듯 아직 시작도 안 한 main game 더 밀고 날 당겨봐 이 자신 넘쳐 난 이렇게 매일 신선한 외로움을 달래 난 나 멈출 수 없다고 너도 마찬가지잖아 그냥 날 놓치기 싫잖아 까맣게 덮여진 내 맘은 your place 하얗게 타버린 네 맘은 my place 지닐 수 없는 게 당연하니 play 까맣게 잊혀진 내 맘은 my face
Hey, that beat is hard, bro. Okay. Ladies, man. I'm not gonna lie. That song, I'm gonna give that song like a 9 point. I'm gonna give that song a 9.4. So, for sure. It was a good song, bro. Like, man. They are very talented, bro. I'm gonna just keep saying that, bro. Like, it's true, bro. So true. Last song, Artificial Love. Hey, these boys some cowards. Noobs.
Check this out. I'm gonna show you how I afforded this car.
Ad.
Okay, you ready?
In, man.
All right,
사랑이었다 믿어 현실적이지 않던 너지만 이유 없이 먼저 갔어 너를 갈망한 내 목마름 표면적인 너와 나의 관계 짜여있는 사랑 역시 너의 한계 왜곡된 감각과 불투명한 현실의 경계 She don't love me 내겐 Artificial love 순결했던 너의 Artificial love
They sound good.
뭐가 진실이고 거짓인지 말해 Can't trust this. You got that 거짓 미소, 거짓 눈물, 거짓 사랑. 그게 바로 너의
Whoa. Okay, they definitely for the ladies. Okay.
You know why? Artificial lover. She don't love me, baby. Artificial love. Artificial love. 뭐가 진실이고 거짓인지 말해. Can't trust this. You got that 거짓 미소. Artificial love. 거짓 눈물. Artificial love. 거짓 사랑.
Okay, they definitely for the ladies. They definitely the ladies, man. This is definitely the song for the ladies. You know what I'm saying? The man sing to the ladies. For sure. Hey, all the dances they doing it for y'all, ladies. They doing it for y'all. I hope y'all liking it, you know what I'm saying? Because they definitely want y'all attention. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he's gonna come out of his shirt now. Okay. Oh, Thriller. Okay, Michael Jackson. Oh, what's going on? Oh, that's not the end of it. There's more to it. Oh, they're blind dancing. Nah, that's fire. Nah, this is actually fire. This is actually hard, bro. What? Nah. Ain't no way. This is what I mean when I say they are talented, multi-talented, bro. Who actually does blind dancing, bro? Actually succeeds in it. Man, that's the end of it. But man, whole performance overall, the 10 out of 10. But Artificial Love, I get it a 9. That song's made for the ladies, for sure. You know what I'm saying? If you a boy, sing that to your woman. Sing that to your woman, man. You gonna and if you can master the dance moves, like them boys did with the canes, hey, she gonna fall in love with you 10 times more, you feel me? But nah, man, this was a good song, bro. I really enjoyed this, man. Thank y'all for the recommendation. If y'all want to see some more EXO, drop your recommendations down below, and I will get to them, man. Bro, I think my favorite song is either White Noise or Thunder, but I'm gonna say White Noise. White Noise was definitely my favorite. They started it off great and ended it off great as well with the blind dancing. That's what I mean when I say they are multi-talented. When I keep saying they are talented, they just prove why they're so talented, bro. The vocals, the dancing, you know what I'm saying? The way they can get the crowd hype. You're a great artist if you're able to get the crowd into it as much as you are. But yeah, man. Y'all want more, man? Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Yeah.